Hi everyone, if you're watching this, you know that cruising is a different way to travel, so you have to pack a little bit differently. What I'm going to talk about today are the medical items that I bring with when I go on a cruise, and just kind of the reasons for bringing all of those. I'll also get some bonus things in there, some things that I haven't seen in other kits before, and I'll show you how I pack it all up. So let's get started. So this is the med part of the kit. It's just a Dollar Tree pencil bag, but I made sure to get it in red. I made sure to get it in red so that it was just easily, so you could see it easily, so that it kind of looked like medicine. Everybody kind of knew what it was. And then what I did was just break it up into groups. So it looks like this, all kind of stacked like that. And so it's sort of categorized by problem. So we have Sea-Bands, Dramamine for kids, Bonine for adults. Then we go into other problems. So let's start with this one. Agita. So this is like, what do I have in here? So I've got Tums, I've got gas relief, and then apple cider vinegar tablets. I know that you know how many to take of these, so I don't put the dosage on there. And then this is really important. So what I do with this is I buy the meds in the little bottle, but that takes up a lot of room. So I decant them all into little bags like this that pack flat, but then I take the label off and stick it back on here. I take the label off the bottle and stick it back on here so that I know what it is. And then I also have dosage information on here, and you know, all of the drug facts, but then I also know when the expiration date is so that when I go back to go in there, I can tell if these things are expired or not. So I do that throughout this whole pack, you'll see. So that is for, you know, heartburn, indigestion, gas, that kind of thing. So then we have butt stuff, which it's always important to add a little humor when you're not feeling great. So let's see what's in here. So I have a bunch of these Preparation H hemorrhoid wipes. I've got charcoal pills. These are great for upset tummy. So this is when it expires, and then 2 for adult, 1 for child. What is this? Anti-diarrheal, and then I couldn't, because it's this packet like this, I just photocopied the information and slipped it in there. This is Colace 2-in-1, so in case you're stopped up. So not stopped up, stopped up. And then this is just more of an anti-diarrheal because of the dosage that you had to take. I wanted to make sure that I had enough. Okay, on to the next thing. Cold and flu. So this is really, this was really important too, especially on an Alaskan cruise when you're out in the rain and things like that. You can pretty easily catch the sniffles. So I had NyQuil and its expiration date just so I could see right away when that expired. And then daytime cold and flu, daytime, nighttime cold and flu. I'll freeze frame right here. I forgot to add in that I bought a package of cough drops as well. Just, they didn't fit in the bag. I had them packed separately. All right, pain. This was an important one. Again, I took everything and broke it down out of its bottles. I picked up almost everything from the Dollar Tree. I broke it all down out of his bottles and packed it flat. So this is naproxen. Again, took the labels. This is like Excedrin, so this is headache relief, like acetaminophen with caffeine in it. This one is just plain Tylenol, acetaminophen, and then not pictured here, because we used it all, is ibuprofen. I'll have to add that in there. Then we have allergy, and we only have one person really that gets hit by allergies in our family. So I just packed a little bit of this, but this is just a little bit of Claritin, and the sort of 1 every 24 hours, that's fine for anybody in my family. And here's something that almost nobody remembers to pack, but that is really, really important. stuff for teeth. There are no dentists on cruise lines. So what I have here is dental wax, which is great when you have, like, if you had a sharp tooth, or my daughter has braces. So if a bracket were to come off or something were to be scratching her, we could put that in there. And then this stuff is really great. It's for repairing teeth. I'm gonna leave it in there because it's hard to get it out. But it's like $2 or $3. You can get it at Target, Walmart. Sometimes you can even get it at Dollar Store. And it just comes in this little kit, and it's perfect. People always forget that you could have tooth problems when you go on a cruise. Okay, and then we have the first aid portion. We'll get into that. Okay, first aid wise, this is just a little thing I carry with me. So more dental wax, a little thing of liquid skin, a little thing of eye drops, small scissors, and I have an assortment of Band-Aids here, including blister ones, and ones for like, and antibacterial ones. I love the welly ones, they're great. And we have all kinds of alcohol wipes for washing your hands in case you need to. Then these are, I carry one of each of these. So it's burn cream and like triple antibiotics. So that's like a Neosporin. What's this one? Oh, and hydrocortisone cream. More wipes. Then I took a pack of gloves and just rolled them up really tight, put them in here and squeezed all the air out so they fit tight. There's a little thing, there's a little thing of like medical tape. And then a thing of, there's tiny thing of tweezers. So just kind of covers any little minor things you have. There is, on ships, they do have medical, but this is just something that you can use to just kind of cover that. Then honorable mention goes to, I always pack one COVID kit for everybody just in case. So if we suspect something, we can check and make sure before we call medical about it. So that's it. This is me packing it all back up. I bring this every time I go on a cruise. Comment below, what did I forget? What do you add in here, or what would you add in here to bring on a cruise? Also, watch the next video. I have a room tour and some tips and hacks for cabin organization. Thanks for watching.